Well, I travel a lot for my job, so when I'm at home, I love to take my mornings quite slowly, go for a run or go to a gym class, come home, fresh up, make a nice cup of coffee, and then start the day. My name is Vera, and today we're here in Amsterdam in my new home, where I live together with Gijs, my boyfriend. Well, I love Amsterdam because it's still the capital and it's an international city, but it feels like a little village, small and homey. Well, jumping from role to role is a big part of my job, and I also like to do that. It feels sometimes nice to jump into this different character. But then especially it feels nice to come home, and I think when I'm here I can be myself, I can be goofy, we can play soccer in our home. I think those kind of things maybe people don't really expect me doing, but that's, I think, the real Vera. I would say my interior style, it has like a minimalistic base, so a bit Scandinavian but with little twists. Well, for the whole renovation, we of course collaborated, Gijs and I. Well, you managed the whole thing.
Thank you for this credit. Yeah, I'm as an architect, I'm used to at least guide like building processes, but Vera was more like putting a lot of ideas, like the creative mind in the project. I'm more rational thinking, and Vera's more like emotional in the sense of making choices, and then I try to filter the
I come with a lot of ideas, and sometimes that makes you crazy, literally. And you're like, okay, Vera, now you have to be grounded again.
But at the end it went quite well, I think so.
Yeah. And we found this house in LA with this 70s mid-century modern style, and we really used that as an inspiration to build on. Yeah. I think the glass bricks are like an extension on this LA mid-century modern style.
We fell in love with that style, and it was one of your ideas actually, to be honest.
Live beautiful, for me, it means being in the moment and make the most out of the time that you get to spend together.
It's about having joy, right? It's enjoying your days and your life and your friends and your family and each other. Yeah.
I think my favorite West Wing item, it has to be the Sophia sofa. During the evening we love to spend our time here because it feels more cozy, it feels more like a cocoon.
This is definitely our sweet spot in the house. And then we put on the beamer and watch a film or a series, right?
And get cozy together. Well, this is the dining area. Here you have the facade with all the light coming in, so it feels very, nice and open to sit here.
Enjoying the daylight. One of the nice things.
I think the best assets of the house, actually. Yeah, it's funny, the yellow chairs, we found them by accident. And then I was like, oh my god, but they're perfect for our place because we had the yellow mirror and they perfectly match. And then these two, they have the perfect mix between the stainless steel and the leather, matching with the color of the table. Yeah. Yeah,
same vibe, but then old and new combined.
Yeah. You can sit on the head of the table.
We needed to find a harmony in the contrast elements, like the kitchen island, which is like made from stainless steel, is really sharp, really like a square block. So yeah, to soften that a little bit, we needed a little bit more like wavy or round elements.
But I think that's the thing throughout the whole home, that we have big elements mixed with more organic pieces. The biggest space of the house is the living room. We have this sofa that it looks like almost like a spine, and it really also functions as the spine of our home. You can sit on both sides, you can interact with the kitchen, when Gijs is cooking, we can see what he's doing. All items have a special meaning because they're collected over the years, so everything has a story to it, I think. Well, attending my first Chanel show was a big moment for me. So yeah, they always send like a book with inspiration images, so I have that in the closet. But also the camera is a nice memory because besides modeling, I also love to do photography together with Gijs during our travels, but also fashion related. So welcome to the bed bathroom. As I mentioned, the glass bricks, we have them here to like divide the shower and the area where I do my makeup, my hair, get ready for the day. And here we have the bed and a bath. And when we moved here, I wanted a bathtub in the bedroom because we saw this inspiration image from a house in LA that has this exact same composition. So that was my dream. So we created this bath in this onyx honey marble. Well, I think it looks like a giant soap, which really, yeah, you want to touch it all the time. Yeah, and this is the most comfortable bed. And yeah, in the beige, we also added some pops of color, pops of orangey colors to match with the nice honey color of the bath. And yeah, makes it really comfy and relaxing, this place. Thank you, it was so lovely to have you and I hope you enjoyed it. Doei!
Doei! Wel leuk toch? Roomtoertje.
Dan start ik nog met de wandelen.